And it looks like, Colton, we've got more stalled cars possibly, and they brought out the heavy machinery here. What's going on there this morning?
Yeah, we're just learning as we're live on air. These guys just pulled up, but it's here with Cape Coral Public Works Division. It looks like they're blocking off the westbound lanes of Diplomat Parkway. That's what you're looking at right now. So like I was saying earlier in the show, you guys, while the water was tending to seem to get a little bit shallower inside this four-way stop, it really seems like further on down the road as you went westbound on Diplomat Parkway, it really starts to see that water increase and be pushed up in that general direction. So right now, we're unsure of what they're going to be doing. Of course, I see a lot of these Cape Coral city employees all out here. But yeah, they have signs now posted right here on Diplomat Parkway. I mean, this is the first that we've seen of any sort of an effort for them to close down this portion of the road. And we've been here for at least a couple of hours now. I'm sure it's all part of making sure that the public remains safe and whenever they're traveling throughout Cape Coral. But yeah, we're just learning this right now. It seems like the eastbound lanes of Diplomat are still open along with Andalusia Boulevard. You're going to be able to go north and south on there still without any interruptions. And this person here is going to go ahead and turn regardless of the signs that people are showing. Hopefully you're okay. Put both hands on the wheel, lady, and be careful. You can see right there, you can see how deep that water gets in that certain area. Now imagine a smaller vehicle and we would probably have a few problems. And this is an area where, again, Chris, Lisa, Trent, Lauren, we've been talking all morning about how busy of an area this is. People continuously are driving through this area. I even spoke with some neighbors that live right here on the corner after I heard Chris say this was one of the spots that they projected to flood. And they said, yep, this area floods every single time. So not surprising for much of that. But see, right now they're letting people know that this area is closed. So I think they're going to try to do a better job of making sure that these cars can't go through after this. So be sure to come and check back in with us in the next few minutes. We're going to talk with these guys and see what their plan is. And we'll find out more information and let you know when we find out, Chris and Lisa.
Colton, actually, I have a question for you that I want to get to really quickly. The last time we checked in with you, you were at the corner of Diplomat Parkway and Andalusia. Are you still there, and have you ventured out maybe up and down Diplomat? Because that seems to be eastbound and westbound, no matter what, a big trouble spot.
Yeah, that's absolutely right. During our last hit, we kind of went westbound here on Diplomat. And as we walk down, the water continues to get a little bit deeper. I don't know if we can pick this up from the camera, but I think that's the reason why, and I'm just speculating right now, of why these crews are now starting to shut down Diplomat. It's because I believe this water really is starting to push in this general direction, because even standing here now, the intersection of Diplomat and Andalusia Boulevard is fairly shallow now. But if you look further down that way, look at these cars. You can see just how much water is still inside this area. So yeah, I've ventured westbound. I haven't really gone too far eastbound on Diplomat, but we know that there is a lot of deep water still all down Diplomat. But it seems, at least in the intersection of Andalusia and Diplomat, that the water is starting to shallow up a little bit.